Let's have a look at a two-way table as a means of coming up with the sample space, okay, of a multi-stage experiment. Multi-stage experiments can get a bit tricky when trying to list the sample space, so we need a better way to list all the possible outcomes than just listing them out sort of on a line. So let's have a look at this particular example. It's a fairly common example. 2 dice are thrown and the numbers are added together. So it's like a sort of a board game that uses 2 dice. First of all, so part A, list all possible outcomes using a two-way table and find the probability of throwing a sum less than 5. So first up, let's have a look at part A. Okay, we're going to draw the two-way table. Okay, so I'll try and draw. I'm just going to draw it freehand. So obviously, if you've got a grid book or obviously using a ruler, obviously will make it a little bit easier. Okay, so probably have to add another row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And what I could do is I could just put the numbers up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then what we'll do is that we'll add up the 2 die. So the 2 dice. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Good thing about this is that there's a pattern to it. So you can just follow the pattern. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it's symmetrical as well. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so there's our two-way table, and what you'll notice is that there's 36. Well, there's 36 outcomes, but some of the outcomes are identical. So if you notice, for example, with the sum of 10, 10 can occur 3 times. Okay, rolling a sum of 9, 1, 2, 3 can occur 4 times. Okay, so being able to use a two-way table is a very important and a very valuable skill in probability. Okay, let's have a look at part B now. And part B is asking us to find the probability of throwing a sum less than 5. Okay, so let's have a look at so numbers. Less than 5 does not include 5. Okay, so we want the probability of the numbers basically 1 to 4. Okay, so so sum of 2 of 2, 3, or 4. Okay, because it does not include 5. So how many of those do we have? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and all the rest are bigger, so that's equal to 6 over 36, and we can simplify that fraction, which is just a fraction 1 on 6.